Today I'd like to talk about replacing a group head gasket on the Giotto. Now the first thing you'd find is that there is no screwdriver or nut to remove. The only tool you need is a screwdriver, preferably a flathead, to lever out the group shower and the portafilter. So to start off with, make sure the machine's off, make sure everything's cool to touch so that you don't burn your fingers. Lever the group shower out gently, and it's a fairly simple matter of pulling that out. Now you find that there's a little bit of a lip along the shower, and that's what you're using to lever off. Okay, this is the gasket here. Pop it out with your fingers. Quick check on the elasticity of it. If it's still rubbery, it means it's still got life in it. Make sure there's no cracks along the surface here, and you'll see that very quickly when you squeeze it. Okay. Now here's I don't know if you can see, but by squeezing that I can see a couple of lines there just starting to come up just along the edge here. It means this thing is pretty much ready for replacing. So I'll be going to the shops and getting a new gasket. But you know, it's still sealed, so you know, probably good for another month or so. But the ones that when you press it and there's a massive crack, that's when you know it's when you probably find that when you're pulling shots, it's leaking. So that's the reason. Important thing when replacing: make sure the flat surface is the one facing downwards, where the portafilter will be contacting. This side, on the other side, is a beveled edge. So there is a slight beveled inside and outside. And the important reason to have the flat side is that that's the side that touches the portafilter, creating that seal. If you've got the beveled side down, you may not get that complete seal. So flat side touching the portafilter. While you've got the gasket out, might be a good opportunity to put this shower screen in Cafetto water for, you know, half hour or so, cleaning out the gunk inside. You'll find that if you haven't been back flushing, this will be caked with coffee oil and tar, and you'll have to scrape that off. I back flush after every use, just with water, and even then I had a bit of coffee residue on that, and so I cleaned that out quite recently. Okay, so replacing again, beveled edge in so that the flat is facing this way. Push that in with your fingers, remembering that should be cool to touch or you'll be burning your fingers. Alright, and using the portafilter, just lock it in tight. That's it. All done. All replaced. Easy as that.